Students, we are here in the next video of Merchant of Venice Act 1 Scene 3 Part 1. Let's see what is inside it. Here I want to let you know about that Bassanio is planning to go to Belmont and he doesn't have proper money. He asked it from Antonio and he didn't have also enough money to render the service. So now they are asking this money from Shylock. So there is a dialogue between Shylock and Bassanio. So you can see where is the place. Place is very important because this is also asked in examination. Scene, a public place. Venice, a public place is there. Enter Bassanio and Shylock. Shylock is saying, okay, 3,000 ducats. Well, ducats is the Venetian currency, or you can say that gold coins. तो आपको 3,000 टिकट चाहिए. तो वैसे नहीं बोला कि I serve for 3 months. Yes sir, and you have heard it well, and I am going to repay that within 3 months. Shylock, for 3 months, okay. Let's see now what is there. Bassanio is saying, for the which, as I told you, Antonio shall be bound. And Bassanio is telling Shylock that I have already told you that Antonio will be guarantor for it. It means if I am not able to pay that, Antonio will pay it to you. Shylock, Antonio shall become bound. Well, then actually Shylock is just repeating the same words, or saying that okay, Antonio will be the guarantor. Then Bassanio, may you stead me? Are you going to help me? Will you pleasure me? Are you going to make me happy by giving it to me? Shall I know your answer? Can I know your response? Bassanio मांगा पैसा, कह रहा है कि आप मुझे देंगे. आगे बढ़ते हैं हम लोग. Shylock, 3,000 ducats for 3 months and Antonio bound. You can see that the same thing is being repeated here by the speaker, and it's not so difficult to understand. 3,000 ducats for 3 months and Antonio would be the guarantor. Bassanio, and your answer to that, और आप क्या कह रहे हैं इस बारे में? Shylock is not ready to give answer so readily. He is just, you see, enhancing the duration of talking conversation. Shylock is saying, Antonio is a good man, वो एक अच्छा इंसान है. Bassanio, have you heard any imputation to the contrary? Bassanio is asking, क्या आपने कोई उसके बारे में गलत चीज़ सुना? Have you heard any imputation means what? Allegations or accusation or any bad story of any person. क्या आपने कोई सुना है कि उसके बारे में किसी ने कुछ कहा हो, गलत कहा हो? Have you heard any complaints against Antonio? Oh, no. My meaning in saying that he is a good man. So Shylock is just, evading that matter and saying, yes, he is a good man. Is to have you understand me that he is sufficient. And Shylock is saying, I know that he is rich enough to pay the money, yet his means are in supposition. It means his money or his business in supposition means in doubtful. His business is in doubtful. Shylock is saying, I think all his business is doubtful to me. He had an Agrossi bound to Tripolis. Now you see that Shylock also knows in which place he makes business. He is saying that one of his merchant ship is going to Tripolis for business purpose, another is to Indies. I understand moreover upon the Rialto, and I know from the Rialto's news that he had a third at Mexico. Third ship has been sent to Mexico, and fourth for England, and other ventures he had squandered abroad. So here Shylock is informing about all the things, all the business activities done by Antonio. And last word I want to tell you that word squandered, it means just spent without thinking, बिना सोचे समझे खर्चा करना. तो यहाँ पे शायलोक कहना चाहते हैं कि बिना सोचे समझे उसने पैसे को खर्चा किया है विदेश में या फिर बिजनेस में. आगे पढ़ते हैं. But ships are but boats, sailors are but man. So here Shylock want to show us the reality or show us the fear of oceans, that what can happen to them, or if that mishap happens, that then Antonio may not be able to repay the loan. So somehow he just getting ensured that whether Antonio would be paid in timely or not. So he is just reminding him of the calamities or the bad aspect of that business. बट शिप्स आर बट बोर्ड्स, शिप तो शिप ही होते हैं ना, वो बोर्ड्स के बने होते हैं, लकड़ी के बने होते हैं. सेलर्स आर बट मैन, जो सेलर्स होते हैं वो तो इंसान ही होते हैं ना. देयर बी लैंड रैट्स एंड वाटर रैट, जैसे कि हमारे यहाँ चोर होते हैं, वाटर रैट्स भी होते हैं, माने वो लोग पायरेट्स की बात कर रहे हैं. लैंड थीव्स एंड वाटर थीव्स, आई मीन पायरेट्स. एंड देन देयर इज़ द पेरिल ऑफ वाटर, विंड्स एंड रॉक्स. पेरिल्स मीन डेंजर, डेंजर ऑफ वाटर्स, विंड्स एंड रॉक्स, ये भी तो खतरे होते हैं. इट मीन्स शाइलॉक इज जस्ट थ्रेटनिंग दैम एनी रॉन्ग थिंग कैन हैपन टू हिज बिजनेस. Next, the man is not withstanding sufficient, but I would say that he is rich enough. 3,000 tickets, I think I may take his bond. Then Shylock is saying that yes, I am ready. I can accept him as a guarantor. Bassanio, be sure you may. Bassanio is ensuring him that you won't have any problem, and be assured about that. Shylock, I will be assured. I may be assured. I will be think. May I speak with Antonio? Then Shylock is saying, yes, I would be assured, but in that case, can I talk to Antonio? क्या मैं एंटोनियो से बात कर सकता हूँ? Bassanio, if it please you to dine with us. Then Bassanio is offering him that he should have a meeting in dining table. Shylock, yes, to smell pork. क्या मैं pork खाने के लिए जाऊँगा? To eat the habitation which your prophet the Nazarite conjured the devil into. So they hate pork. Jews hate pork, यहाँ पर पता चलता है. और बोल रहा है कि जो तुम लोग का प्रॉफिट था, जो नजराइट था, उन्होंने क्या किया, डेविल को उस जो डेविल को कहाँ डाल दिया था, एक सुअर के अंदर, और उसी सुअर को हम खाएंगे. इट मीन्स यहाँ पर शायलॉक बोलना चाहता है कि ज्यूज़ हेट पिग एंड द फ्लैश ऑफ इट ऑल्सो. So Shylock is saying, yes, to smell pork, to eat the habitation which your prophet the Nazarite conjured the devil into. मैं pork खाने आऊँगा तुम्हारे पास, ये तो संभव नहीं है. It cannot happen because Jews hate pork. They consider that the Nazarite has pushed the soul of devil into the pig, so they do not eat pork. I will buy with you, I will sell with you, talk with you, walk with you, and so following. Shylock is saying that I can do everything, every activities with you, but I cannot have dinner with you, I cannot eat with you guys, and so following. But it will not eat with you, drink with you, nor pray with you. Neither I am going to pray with you. Obviously, their religion is different. Jewish religion is different, and they are Christian, so they cannot pray together. What news on the Rialto? Who comes here? Then he is asking, or he is saying to Bassanio that who is coming here? I can see someone is coming. So I am stopping here. I will be present with you with the next video. Till then, thank you.